Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily convert your Pinterest account to a business account easily from your mobile. So you want to have the Pinterest application installed on your mobile to do this. Once you have it installed, you can open the application, and after you have logged in and everything is completed, once you have successfully logged into your account, what you'll have to do is click on the saved option at the bottom. Now you can see your profile and everything here. Now click on the three dots, go on to settings. In here you have the third option, account management. You have to click on it. In here you can see in the account changes section there is an option to convert to a business account. You have to click on it, and now you have to click on convert account. Now you have to give your profile a name, so I will do it. You can click here and type in your name. Okay, so I have typed in my name. Now I have to click on next, and now it's asking if I have a website. So if you have a website, you can type in that website address, or you can go back and click on next, and then you have to click on no website yet. Now you have to describe your business, so you have to select what type of business you are running. So I will, let's say, put consumer or goods or product or service, or contractor or service provider, and now click on next. And now then it's asking if I'm interested to run ads on Pinterest. So if you are interested in advertising through Pinterest, you can click on yes, I'm interested. Or for now I'm going to choose I'm not sure yet. You can always change these options later on. So I'll click on next, and now as you can see this pops up. What you can do is click on next and then click on explore your profile. As you can see, now your business profile is there, your account is ready, and your, as you can see, now this is my business account right here. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.